Hey friends, let's do School Daze guitar lesson by Wasp, and with this song we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a semitone. Now I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with 3 palm mutes on the open E, 1, 2, 3, then play the E power chord, to the D power chord, up to the G power chord, so 10 A, 12 D and G, and slide back, and do that 3 times. And then we're playing a G power chord and do down, up, down, to the D power chord, down, up, down. And we do that 3 times, so slowly. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're just doing these power chords. The first chord we're going to do is an open E, 7 on the A, 9 on the D and G, play open B and E. Then just do a G chord, but just play the top 4 strings. Do a D, do an A. Then we're going back to that E chord again, back to the G. Then we're going to D, just do a palm mute on the open D string, and then play it 2 times. Go to an A power chord, palm mute the A string and A 2 times. So repeat again the E, back to the G, to the D, to the A, do the E again, to the G, and then just go to D, and we're just doing down, up, down, up. And that's our verse C. So for our chorus, I'll just talk you through this. It's pretty easy. We're just playing the E chord again like we did in the verse. Then go to a G chord, to an A power chord. Go back to that E chord again, do a down, and then do an upstroke on it. Back to the G chord, back to the A chord. And that's our chorus there, so that's pretty easy. From there we go back to the verse, and that's the same. Now our next chorus is going to be nearly exactly the same. We have that E chord again, to the G, to the A, back to the E chord with an upstroke, so down, up, back to the G, to the A, we hold that A and then we play the A again with a stop. And that's our chorus there. And again, the bridge is just power chords and chords, so we have the C, come up to the E with the down and the up, back to the C, to the D, to the E, and just do that 2 times there, and that's our bridge. Now for our solo rhythm again, quite simple, just power chords again, and we'll do the solo at the end. So we just got the C, up to an E power chord, back to the C, to the D, to the E. And that's our solo rhythm there. So then we go back to the chorus, and it's the same as our first chorus. We just do it through 3 times, and then to finish off, we do the D, palm mute, 2 opens, like we did in the verse. To the A, and just come up to the E power chord and 4 there. So. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the solo. Just start with a bend on 14G, release the bend, play 14, pull off to 12, back to 14 and then 14 on the D, play 12 D 2 times, do the bend on 14 again G, and then do 12 pull off to 11 on G, 12 on the E. Then we've got this little run, we're going to do 3 on each note, so 7 on the A, 1, 2, 3, and we're palm muting here, 4 on the D 3 times, 5, 7, back to 4, 5, 7, then 4 on the G. So slowly. Then do a bend on 7 on the G. Do a bend on 9 on the G. Then we're playing 12E and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 15 on the E, back to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and that's our solo there, and that's all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed School Daze Guitar Lesson by Wasp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.